Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we'd love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently I flew from Melbourne Tullamarine Airport on an international flight. Melbourne Tullamarine Airport is located approximately 30 minutes from the CBD and can be accessed by taxi, rideshare or skybus. When you arrive at the airport, you're greeted with large digital screens which will let you know where your check-in counter is located. Once you're checked in, you'll easily find the departure area. Once we went through customs and baggage screening, we entered a large duty-free section. After a quick look around, it was time to explore the rest of the airport. Melbourne Airport has lots of high-end brands as well, such as Burberry, Rolex and Armani. There are plenty of cafes and restaurants to choose from, including fast food such as Hungry Jack's. The airport has all the essential facilities you might need before your flight, such as money exchange, drinking fountains to fill up your bottles, free Wi-Fi, and charging stations. There are plenty of signs around the airport for you to keep track of all your gate changes and boarding status. You'll also find airport lounges such as Air New Zealand, Qantas, Amex, and more. The airport is light-filled and there are plenty of large windows and seating around the airport for you to watch the planes go by. Now it's time to board our flight. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience at Melbourne International Airport. Please hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching and we cannot wait to see you in our next video.